Hi everybody, my name is Kevin Lim, chef and owner of Mean Noodles here in Hong Kong. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another party recipe. It's going to be deviled eggs. In this one, I'm going to be doing a sambal deviled eggs instead of your typical deviled eggs. Please follow me and we'll get along and we'll make a simple and easy deviled egg recipe. Let's go! So here you can see I'm using Sambal Belacan, but please feel free to substitute it with any chili sauce of your preference. You may be wondering why I have pins or a thumbtack here. It's actually to help the egg separate from its membrane. In this case, you can see I've actually sterilized it with alcohol just before using it. I just poke it at the bottom of the egg and it will actually help make it easier for you to peel your eggs. So I'm actually starting here with cold water, similar to the sweet potatoes, and then I'm just adding 2 capfuls of white vinegar, and this again will also help with the separation from the egg whites, but also helping the egg whites coagulate in case it runs out of the egg gel. So once it comes to a boil, I actually turn off the fire, or in this case the electricity, and just cover it with any cover and set the timer for 12 minutes and just let it sit in its own heat. Afterwards, you can just crack it easily, knock it, and you can see that it comes apart very easily, and I don't have to peel the eggshell from the egg whites. So now you want to just cut the egg whites, or the egg itself, take out the egg yolk and put it in a bowl. So once you've scooped all the egg whites into a bowl, just use a fork and just mash it up. Get it to a semi-powdery consistency so that you can add your mayonnaise, your calamansi juice, and also sambal. Then just mix it all up to a smooth consistency and make sure you taste it. It wasn't salty enough for me, so I just added a bit of salt. Taste it again. Once it's the right consistency, you can actually put it into a piping bag, or in any case you can use a Ziploc as well. Just use one side of the tip and just cut off the tip, as you can see that I've done, and then just squeeze them nicely into the eggs. And you can garnish it with either paprika or even chives, which I've used in my case. So feel free to garnish it with whatever chili sauce you're using as well. And this is how you make deviled eggs. So this is how you make my simple deviled egg recipe. Please follow along and share with your friends. As you can tell, the waiting time is actually longer than the preparation time. So please like, subscribe below. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave it below and I will answer it shortly. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.